Hello everybody, I am Deepa Chawla and I welcome you all in today's quiz session of 10th class. We will cover two chapters in this session. First is light, reflection and refraction. Second is human eye and the colorful world. So I hope you all are ready for your quiz. Okay, let me introduce today's participants. So our participants are Daksh, Lakshya Pathak, Nitika, Rinki Chaudhary, Deepika, Komal Kumari, Shivani Yadav, Kunal, Mohit Verma, Harshita, Krish, Ajay Upadhyay. Okay, so let's start with Daksh. Daksh, are you ready for your question, beta? Yes,
Yes,
Daksh.
ma'am.
So your question is state laws of reflection of light. And your time starts now.
Laws of reflection.
Yes.
First, the angle of incident and angle of reflected are equal, and incident ray,
Okay.
reflected ray, and normal ray are like in same plane. Or
At the point of incidence. Okay, you have to say angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay? Okay, so 1 point goes to Daksh for this answer. Very nice. So next we have Lakshay Pathak with us. Lakshay, are you ready for your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Lakshay, your question is, what do you mean by center of curvature in a mirror?
The center of the curvature is the center of that sphere from which the two spherical mirrors are cut.
Very nice. So Lakshay has given the answer correctly. And okay, next we have Nitika with us. Nitika, are you ready for your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Nice. So Nitika, your question is, how many types of mirror are there? How many types of mirror do we have?
And three.
And your
Concave
time
mirror,
starts now.
and three types of mirror: plane mirror, concave mirror, or convex mirror.
Plane mirror, concave mirror, and convex mirror. Okay. So your answer is correct, and we can also say that there are two types of mirror: plane mirrors and spherical mirrors. And spherical mirrors have the category of. So 1 point goes to Nitika for this answer. Good. Next we have Deepika with us. Deepika, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So can you tell me mirror formula and what does all the term in that formula indicates? And your time starts now. Yes, Deepika.
अब नहीं आ रहा माइंड में.
Okay. So anyone else knows this answer? You can raise your hands. Yes, Daksh, you have raised your hand. Yes, Daksh.
mirror formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. For,
Okay.
in job in that formula, focal length, initial focal length,
And U और V क्या होते हैं? U और V क्या होते हैं? कोई बात नहीं. U और V क्या होते हैं?
size of object and size of image.
बेटा, you have said थोड़ा सा wrong आपने बताया है. साइज नहीं होता, ये इमेज डिस्टेंस और ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस होता है. साइज को हम h से डिनोट करते हैं. U और V जो है वो डिस्टेंस है. Still, I can get your point. You know the answer correctly. So I am giving you bonus point for this answer. Okay, so Daksh has answered this question and got half point for this bonus. Okay, next we have Komal Kumari with us. Komal, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Komal, your question is, give me the laws of refraction of light. Laws of refraction of light.
Ma'am, there are three laws of reflection.
Okay.
Refraction.
Refraction, okay.
Then and the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal is lie on the same plane.
Okay. बेटा आपने रिफ्रैक्शन बोलना था, रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं आएगा, रिफ्रैक्शन आएगा, रिफ्रैक्टेड रे. ओके, आगे नेक्स्ट लॉ. वेरी गुड. यस कोमल.
Whenever light goes to one medium,
ओके संतोष माइक ऑफ करो प्लीज.
one medium to another, the frequency of light does not change, but the velocity of light and wavelength of light change.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. एंड नेक्स्ट आपने 3 लॉज बोले थे.
Is
थर्ड लॉ.
the ratio of sine of angle of incidence
ओके.
equal to angle of reflection.
बेटा यू आर सेइंग रेशियो. ओके, तो आपने रेशियो को इक्वल कैसे बोल दिया? रेशियो ऑफ साइन ऑफ एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस अपॉन में रेशियो किसकी होगी? साइन ऑफ एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस अपॉन में साइन ऑफ एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. दैट इज कांस्टेंट. दोबारा बोलो ये लो. दोबारा बोलो.
the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is also always constant.
Okay, so Komal has given the answer correctly, and finally, okay, next we have Shivani Yadav with us. Shivani, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shivani. So your question is, what is Snell's law? What is Snell's law? Shivani Yadav. Yes, Shivani.
Snell's law.
Yes, beta. Your time is running.
Ma'am, a law starting that the ratio of sines of the angles of incident and reflection
Refraction.
of a wave are constant when it passes between two given medium.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so Shivani has given the answer and has scored 1 point. Okay, next we have Kunal with us. Kunal, are you ready for your question, beta? Kunal, are you ready, beta? Yes, Kunal. Okay, so we don't have Kunal with us. Next, Mohit Verma. Mohit, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So, beta, your question is, what do you mean by refractive index? What do you mean by refractive index? And your time starts now.
Refractive index is the bending of light when it goes from one medium to another.
So, refractive index क्या होगा इसमें?
It is also the ratio of speed of light in one medium to another medium.
Yes, it is also nahi. It is the ratio of speed of light in from one medium to another medium. Okay. Also nahi hota hi hai ye sir. Okay. So Mohit has given the answer correctly and scored 1 point. Next, Krish, are you ready for your question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Krish. So, beta, your question is, what do you mean by absolute refractive index? Refractive index तो हमने समझ लिया, मोहित ने बताया कि दो मीडियम में लाइट स्पीड ट्रेवल करता है तो उसके स्पीड की रेशियो होती है. But what is the term absolute refractive index? Please explain. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, the absolute refractive index is the refractive index of one medium upon the refractive index of a medium two.
तो वो तो रिफ्लेक्टिव इंडेक्स ही हुआ. तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रिफ्लेक्टिव इंडेक्स एंड एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्लेक्टिव इंडेक्स? Okay, so Krish has given the answer halfway correct. Okay, so Krish has given the answer halfway correct, so I am giving half points for him to answer. Okay, next, yes, Mohit, can you answer the question correctly? What is absolute refractive index, Mohit?
Ma'am, in absolute reflective index, one medium is air or vacuum.
Very nice. In absolute refractive index, one medium is air or vacuum. So Mohit has given the answer for the bonus question, and half point goes to Mohit. Okay, next question we have for Santosh. Yes, Santosh. Santosh, your question is name the two defects in human eye. कौन से defects हमारी eye में होते हैं? Just name them. Yes, Santosh. Okay, so time up. Sorry. Okay, yes, Krish. Do you know the answer? Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Krish.
Myopia and hypermetropia.
Very nice. So Krish has given the answer and he has scored bonus point, half points for this answer. Okay, so we have come to end our quiz. Let me announce the score of all the participants. Daksh 1.5, Lakshay Pathak 1, Nitika 1, Rinki 0, Deepika 0, Komal Kumari 1, Shivani Yadav 1, Kunal, Mohit Verma 1.5, Krish 1. Okay, so at the end we have a tie between Daksh and Mohit Verma. Okay, so we will have a tiebreaker question. Okay, so Daksh, Mohit, are you ready for your tiebreaker question? Yes,
ma'am.
Daksh. So I'll ask one question from both of you, and जिसका आंसर मुझे ज्यादा appropriate और correct लगेगा मैं उसको point दूंगी. Fine, and he will win the quiz. Okay, fine, beta. Is that fair enough? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So your question is name the two phenomena. Name the two phenomena. Please listen carefully. The tiebreaker question is name the two phenomena involved in the formation of rainbow. Okay, Daksh. First you answer. Two phenomena involved in formation of rainbow.
And first, dispersion of light.
Very nice.
Dispersion of light whose droplets are present in atmosphere.
Okay, very nice. Next. And you have 5 seconds left. You have 5 seconds left. Okay, time up. Okay, next, Mohit. Mohit, do you know the answer?
Dispersion, refraction.
Dispersion and
Refraction.
refraction or reflection?
Refraction.
You also gave wrong answer. Anyone else? Yes, Lakshay, you want to answer and score the bonus point. Yes, Lakshay.
Splitting and diffraction.
Dispersion and splitting is one thing, Lakshay. दोनों ही सेम होते हैं.
And dispersion.
That is what Mohit said. Mohit ने भी यही बोला. Anyone else?
Ma'am,
Okay,
spectrum
yes.
of
Yes, Komal. Komal, do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Komal, please.
Dispersion of light and atmospheric refraction.
ma'am,
Dispersion of light and atmospheric refraction. Yes, Daksh.
a spectrum of light. Please move on.
that is what dispersion ना. आप लोग एक ही फिनोमिना के अलग अलग नाम बोले जा रहे हो बस. Dispersion is correct. Second option कोई नहीं बता पा रहा. Dispersion is correct.
Refracted.
Ma'am,
Yes बेटा.
ma'am, dispersion of light and scattering of light.
बेटा दोनों एक ही चीज होती है. डिस्पर्जन स्कैटरिंग एक ही होता है, बिखरना.
मैं बताऊं?
यस बेटा बोलिए क्रिश.
Dispersion of light and total internal refraction.
Very nice, very nice. So Krish has given the answer and scored 1.5 point. And at the end, we have a tie between 3 participants, Daksh, Mohit, and Krish, with 1.5 points. Okay. So do you want any else tiebreaker question between you three? Do you want? Okay.
Yes,
So last tiebreaker question is. अच्छा, अब इसमें तीनों में से जिसका सबसे पहले मुझे रेज हैंड दिख गया उसको ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा आंसर देने का. ओके. विच पार्ट ऑफ आई, लिसन केयरफुली, विच पार्ट ऑफ आई हेल्प्स इन चेंजिंग focal length of the eye lens to focus the image of the object lying at varying distance from the eye. Okay, I can see the hand of Krish first. Yes, Krish.
Ciliary muscles.
Very nice, very nice. So 1 point goes to Krish for this answer, and this bonus question made Krish the winner of today's quiz, and he has scored 2.5 points. Very nice, Krish. Very nice. So our winner is Krish. So congratulations, Krish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so Krish Bhardwaj has won the quiz. I hope you all enjoyed your quiz, and next we have our quiz on chemistry.